How's that look down there?
Oh my God, it's completely rotted away. Cabin's gonna fall. Ah. Let's hope the cabin doesn't fall over. Got that hot shot?
Whenever you're ready for me.
All right.
Sorry, not as tough
You're
as
good. You're good. Don't know if you can do it if you don't try. There you go.
Look at this, guys. This is our soil.
You can call it that.
Literally sand, like you're at the beach. Like extremely sandy. That's why we build and do what we do, because
I'm not gonna have anything heaving or
rotting
in that, pretty much.
Nice deep hole. Nice concrete. Zero issues so far.
Oh, there's another one. All right, guys, we got 4 posts in the ground, all nice and level and plumb, or plumb in general.
Looks good. What's the plan here, Stan?
We're trying to find the lowest post. I'm gonna cut all these to 89 inches.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got all the posts up. We're kind of figuring out the game plan here. And we went against using all oak because we didn't have as much dimensional style oak as I thought. Most of it's live edge, so, which is nice. We'll use that for other stuff. But for this, I'm gonna use these dimensional boards that I had laying around for the covered deck. And yeah, use them up. They're getting old. Not that it matters, but this is good. Good.
Dimensional lumber makes it easier to build.
Yeah, it makes it easier for our rafters and everything. That board is solid, right? It's not rotted, it's just a little stained.
Yeah.
Raise it up a little bit. Put it in.
Yeah.
Make it flush. Alright guys, we're putting this big giant piece of oak up in the front to make it look cool, I guess.
Well, you just cut it, so I mean it'll look nice, I think, once you get the siding up and stuff too.
Do this as smoothly as possible, so don't worry about yours actually much right now. Get mine where it needs to be, and then go down a little bit. This one's really jacked. There we go. So that's the bottom of the ridge beam. This is going to be the top of the ridge beam. So guys, this is my thingamajiggy. And not that kind of thingamajiggy. This is my rafter tie slash cross bracing slash hold up my ridge poler.
Ridge puller?
Yeah, ridge beamer.
If any of you are cursing him out while you're watching this video, make sure to leave a comment.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Alright, let's see how this works. Well, that fits so far.
Are you enjoying the sunshine? Hmm? Are you enjoying the sunshine? Hmm? Oh yeah. That's a good puppy, huh? Amber, are you enjoying the sunshine? Huh? Good boy. This is being aware that it's there.
Are you okay? Mm-hmm. Are you going to be able to see it if I push it up 2 feet?
Yeah, because I can go
Drop the thing on my head.
down a little more.
Still level?
Yep. All right, guys, the ridge beam is a few feet too long, so Jay's gonna take the jigsaw and cut it down. What is it? I don't know what you have. Jay's gonna take the saw.
Circular saw?
Jay's gonna take the circular saw and cut it down some. So let's check this out. Good little. Hold this wherever you need.
All right, guys, we got the building going. We're gonna get some metal and do some finishing stuff next video. Yeah, thanks, guys, for hanging out with us, and here you go. We'll see you in the next one.